Benvinguts i benvingudes a aquests diaris. Som el cap de producció de la companyia PUT, que significa Growing Up Together, creixent junts. La companyia està formada per 23 alumnes de segon ESO de Via Ramon de València i formem part d'un projecte nacional anomenat Global. Us recorde que l'òpera és una de les persones un problema, perquè a l'entrada l'equip de relacions públiques us ha entregat un fullet de mà on posa tota la informació. Per cert, no oblideu posar els vostres mòbils en silenci i si feu fotos, per favor, sense flash. Ara sí, que comença Tomorrow's Legacy, esperem que us agradi.
I was in a room, he said to me, go, then I feel too late, man, on stage, you just go. I'm the next educator, if you wanna die, oh, sorry, I'm the dictator, I will be your face store. I have no message, I will give you in a moment. Everyone is watching you saying, damn comments, you know how crazy CD, where I will keep you. So this real different, be 7 before Fuji.
Listen, Gibby, this is your throne. A bloody war, destroy it all. Listen, Gibby, under control. You're the dictator, king of the world. Listen, Gibby, this is your throne. A bloody war, destroy it all. Listen, Gibby, under control. You're the dictator, king of the world.
So many people cry down and fight. It's not myself, it's just the price. The person is trying to buy, so strong, keep your no mind, hoping to the crank and assassin. I'm damn right, cause the power is mine. The story has to remember exactly in mind, that's the plan. Find this out, right down, down, panic all the time, welcome to my side.
Listen, Gibby, this is your throne. A bloody war, destroy it all. Listen, Gibby, under control. You're the dictator, king of the world. Listen, Gibby, this is your throne. A bloody war, destroy it all. Listen, Gibby, under control. You're the dictator, king of the world.
You are my brother, a man of this world. I live the dreams, I live the fears. I still ideas being with them all. I want to help you, I want to love. Brother, you're crazy. Come on, look at the people, look how they die. This is anarchy, you are so bad. You are the tyrant, I cannot lie.
You are my brother, let's play the game. It doesn't matter if we are okay. I'm the controller, you're my bro. Unless you help me, there is the door.
I like the others, they are my friends. And if you're crazy, I can say, stop this suppression, stop sympathy. Freedom is better, democracy.
I'm the controller, you are my brother.
You are brother, you're crazy, you leave alone.
You are my brother.
Brother, you're crazy. easy to be alone.
It's our God, our Lord.
I'm gonna prove, I'm gonna prove, I'm gonna something better than for us. A future to say, promise to come. First of all, because he said, children of peace, hundreds of people, two of peace, children of peace, we must thank you for your moment. We need all the peace to the democracy.
We want peace, dialogue, please. We have to talk, legend and work. To fight this land, we want it now. It's our goal, a better world.
Houses and wishes, curses and roads, each for money, each for my home. I'm the internet, I am invention, each source places, daily and people, so there has been a music, family, work, community, social, natural process, even the next, breaking, and people.
We want peace, dialogue, please. We have to talk, legend and work. To fight this land, we want it now. It's our goal, a better world.
Who I am because I have a reason to get the order, to end this evil. It isn't some also good reason. I will be in danger of sent to prison. Wise man, freshman, easy me. Put this madman out of here. I will reach this man. I will keep tonight will fight the matador.
We want peace, dialogue, please. We have to talk, legend and work. To fight this land, we want it now. It's our goal, a better world. We want peace, dialogue, please. We have to talk, legend and work. To fight this land, we want it now. It's our goal, a better world.
Our love, you see me off and run. When you tell me to rest for TCT, after these people made it out quickly. Now you're going back before the first time. What you have here is everlasting reward. So just be different, don't know the name. Just follow what you said, do something. Or I will use my countries or keep your man.
You said the wrong of keep together. And your brother was all both wrong. You're not afraid of Joe or persons. Working together for a better world. If you reject our powerful power, to be this standard, check
look, I'm working together. Oh my God, justice for the